Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you guys how to install PHD2 guiding software on your Raspberry Pi 4. Before we do that, I hope you guys have already seen my videos on how to install an operating system on Raspberry Pi 4 and how to install INDI drivers for your astrophotography cameras. If you have not seen those videos, I will put the link of those videos here above or in the description below so that you can check it out. Before we move further, ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or instructions that I have to share with you guys. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do guys is to copy paste the first command from the description below of this video. This is the command to install the build libraries from GitHub. So as you know, PHD is an open source software available on GitHub. So what this command does is downloads all the essential libraries, dependencies and programs that are required to build and install PHD2 on your Raspberry Pi 4. Second thing that you need to do is to download the code itself. So this is the second command also available in the description below, is to clone and download the open source code for your PHD2 from GitHub. So it is git clone https github.com open PHD guiding PHD2. So this is the link from which your system will download all the libraries and the source code for your PHD2 software. Once it is downloaded, it will be available under PHD2 folder in your home directory. So let's move into this directory by issuing command cd phd2. Now let us make a temporary directory under this PHD2 directory by issuing command mkdir -p tmp. So tmp is the folder which is created inside PHD2 folder. So move into PHD2 folder by issuing command cd tmp. Now we'll start making the software by issuing command cmake space ... What this will do is it will make the program and compile the program for ready to make an installer. Next we need to issue is another command called make. So what this will do is it will create an installer for your PHD2 guiding software. So as you know, these are open sources, so you can download the source code and compile it locally. This is the longest step of the process. It took me around 30 minutes to make this installer, so you guys have to be patient. This is the last step that you need to do to make an installer. So as you can see, now my make is finished. Now last thing that we need to do is to install whatever we have compiled. So to do that, we have to issue another command called sudo make install. This is a quick step. It will finish within few seconds. Once this is finished, you will have your PHD2 software available on your UBUNTU. So as you can see, my installation has been finished. Now let us go and check whether the application is available in UBUNTU system or not. So go into activities and all applications, and then you can find your PHD2 guiding software. As you can see, the icon is available. So this is how you install your PHD2 guiding software on your Raspberry Pi 4. So guys, if you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching and clear skies.